Hi, I'm Vasco Popovsky. I'm a metallurgical engineer and I work for Ransom & Randolph. I'm here today to talk about our big event in metal casting. Last year at AFS Cast Expo, I moderated the great debate between leaders of the aluminum and cast iron industries. The two sides argued about which material was superior. It was a lot of fun, we're still debating the winner, but everyone in attendance learned something. Now the AFS is holding the next great debate in Cleveland in April. It's a three-way contest between three different technologies: metal casting, forging, and additive manufacturing. Oftentimes, people make decisions about design and material without full knowledge of their options. This can lead to an incredible amount of waste. And the stakes are high. Listen, the costs are rising. We need better engineering, we need better sourcing. It's for the sake of our pocketbooks, our country, and our planet. So now, this year, the AFS has what you need: a fun and candid debate between pros from these three manufacturing sectors. This contest will be held Thursday, April 27th at the Metalcasting Congress. There will be some excellent information flying right from the opening bell. After 90 minutes, I promise you'll be better informed. Follow the registration link at www.afsinc.org. Be there.